Welcome back. So this is the Lego Friends Cosy Fall Forest Cabin. It looks so fantastic and it feels like you're in the middle of the forest, like the park, like that. Looks so wonderful, right? I just love it. It looks so wonderful. And the Mini Dolls outfits are super cool too. It kind of reminds me of Canada, I just lived in Canada for just 1 year, and it kind of reminds me of the outside, and we have lots of sausages, and the squirrel can also hide over here as well. And we also have a bicycle for 2 people, just like the one in the Lego Friends Clubhouse set, and the dog can also bury its bones. And we also have a fireplace, and I guess the fire sort of moves. Yeah, I'm not so sure how it's gonna work, but I think it's trying to say that the fire can also move. And the inside looks super fantastic too. It really looks like a nice cozy house. It's even 2 floors, and there's also a hot spring, which is really nice. So this is the end of the video. Bye bye.